Okay, so there's Ritter being a third to Waylon. It's about 40 feet away. Hey, little buddy. I forgot to bring your balls. I meant to pick them up. There's Willie. So yesterday, me and Waylon Tank, we did an afternoon really good session. He's about to get stuck on the dam. On the ecollar. Right. There you go. You gonna get stuck, buddy? Hey, friend. Okay, so hello, how are y'all? So this is what I noticed yesterday is we came out here and so this is what I used to do. Like I would initially, oh shit. Oh, it was a rock. I thought I stepped on Raider. I would initially come out here and I'd give them all a bunch of food right away. Here comes Willie. And that usually kept them in. Eventually, the food, like to Waylon, became, hey, you know, whatever, I'll get it when I get it. Now, is it because I Pez dispenser the hot dogs out here, right? They go away, come back, they go away, come back. I reward it every time. Until I get low on food. But this is what we did yesterday, is with Waylon and Tank, I did each of them a couple calls, right? Look, I haven't had Waylon coming back to me this soon in a long time. All right. Now, could that have happened just by doing the leash? But anyways, what I was trying to get to is we did a couple recalls with the stem, right? Go ahead, buddy. You're free. Go ahead. Dude, that's your asshole move. Get the fuck away. Go take a shit, dude. Cute little asshole. But did you hear the tone in it? The tone in it is like, usually he'll be like, I want to play. That's his being a dick. So anyways, I'm trying to let him go. Right? He's got me trained to give him another hot dog. Raider, leave him alone. Go do something else. Go take a shit. Man, that sucks that I didn't bring the balls. And all three of them are on the table. Hi, Willie. What you doing? Willie's like, aren't we supposed to be walking by now? Do I have anything to get Raider busy? Yeah, there we go. So there Raider goes, gets busy. He's cute, right? Come here. He's a cute guy. So, anyways, this is kind of what I did yesterday with him and Tank. Let him kind of get, you're a good boy. Go ahead and go poo-poo. You go poo-poo too. Right, so is he doing it because he knows he's got the collar on? Who knows? Who knows? Who cares? Willie, where are you going? God damn it. This is what fucked us up the other day. Come on, big guy, this way. Come on. Come on, big guy. I wish I could change this. I wish the. Come on. Stay with us. Come on. Come on over here, lay down. Have a good old time. Good boy. You leave him alone. Come on, go find your paper towel. Come on. Mama's not awake, dude. She can't come get you. You gotta stay out. Come on, big guy. Raider, settle down. Go find your paper towel. Right? Okay, so here. Let's see if he gets in the picture. Here we go. Boom. So Here's negative reinforcement, right? The ecollar is negative reinforcement. It's applying pressure, the release of the pressure in the initial stages, right? You're such a good boy. You know I'm gonna zap you. He said, you're gonna zap me. Go ahead. Go on. I don't have anything, dude. You gotta go find your own toys. Go ahead. Here. All right, here we go. So he gets, damn it, Raider. Such a pain in the ass, dude. Leave people alone. Raider, come here. There's a bus over there anyways. He didn't even care. Right. So here. Inside was a 10, so I turned it up to 15. I think I kind of need to do this anyways and just make him stick around here. But even when we were sticking around here, he wants to go take off. So, go ahead. All right. He started taking off being on. Hey, 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 hey. Willie. Come here, fool. God damn it, I don't have to take Willie in. What's up, dude? Come on. Come on, stay over here with us. Come on, boys, let's take Willie in.